Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to recover your own Instagram access. Start by verifying identity. Open the official app or Instagram.com, then tap Forgot Password and enter your username or email. Once done, Instagram sends a login link or code to the email or phone on file. Check spam and alternate folders. Make sure you can access that account or device. If not, prepare any linked Facebook account details because that provides another verified path back into your profile. Next, pick the recovery option you control: email, SMS, or Facebook login. When you receive a code or reset link, act quickly because links expire. Enter the code exactly as shown, then create a new unique password of at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Once done, update saved logins on your devices and sign out unknown sessions. Changing saved passwords prevents reuse of old credentials and stops unauthorized access immediately. Finally, harden your account. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app rather than SMS for stronger security. Then review active sessions in settings and remove any unfamiliar devices and update your email and phone recovery details. If you still can't recover access, use Instagram's official account recovery flow to submit ID verification. Follow instructions closely and respond to emails from the official address. If problems persist, contact Instagram support through the app support options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.